Today is beautiful outside. There's a lot of sun. There's a lot of wind too. I figure, you know what? Why don't I bring this big Lucas Oil offshore boat out today? I'm running our big 54mm stainless steel CNC props. I installed some little turn fins on this boat. Last I ran it, they didn't make a huge difference. What we're doing today is we're gonna try inwards and outwards rotation. Right now we're gonna try it outwards. And if I like it, I'm just gonna keep it like that through the batteries that I run through it. I'm gonna run actually 4S. I'm gonna run 6S. And that's about it. Real windy. Look at the trees. Water is nice and rough. That's what I wanted. I don't think I've seen it this rough in a while. We're going to test this boat's offshore capabilities. Now this is just a beautiful toy. The business end just looks great. Those stainless props are right in place. Such a big and beautiful boat. Always such a pleasure to run. The props are really close together on this boat. The drives are set up really close and really low. And that's how you want them on a twin model.
Receiver battery 5.
Spin out.
5. Receiver battery 5.5.
Nice and rough. Looks like we're gonna have a fun day out here today. Yes, I turned this thing over in the corner, but I'm gonna have to say, overall that was a good run. Now, aside from the slight porpoising, that's why I flipped over in the corner, because it's porpoising a little bit. Porpoising could be caused by one of three things: the plates, which are the trim tabs, the drive angle, or the weight. We're gonna start with the weight. On the tray, I slid the batteries back some. Let's see what effect that has. Let's see if it improves it some. We're gonna run 4S again. The porpoise is almost more pronounced, so I don't think the weight was the issue. We're gonna put the weight back up and mess with the drives. Okay, now we're gonna configure things a little bit different. 2 6S brakes in line, configured like a Dominator. We're gonna make a few passes. If we don't like it, we'll bring it back in and make an adjustment.
got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the strongest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the fastest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Starting with the carbon fiber Kevlar weave. CNC parts, man, it's built for speed. High flow water systems cool from heat. 100 miles an hour on the water. To MCAT RTR. Fastest in the game, it's a superstar. And the Dominator model, man, it's just as hard. Superpower, self-riding, bright colors and all. So when you hear it on the water, man, you know it's the ESC motors, props, it's lit. Strongest power systems on the market, legit. Oxidean Marine, no questions, that's it. Who's got the raddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the best boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine, yeah.
Receiver battery 5.4 volt. Receiver battery 5.5.
Okay, now as you can see, These outdrives have a pretty pronounced down angle. Let's go up just a little bit to see if what effect that has on the porpoising. I actually went up a lot. It seemed like it naturally wanted to. I guess we're gonna see right now what effect it has on it. Dressed up and ready to go. Let's see what she demonstrates.
Receiver battery 5.4 volt.
Looks like we've greatly reduced the porpoising. Now we gotta get the chine walk out of it.
Battery 5.5. Receiver battery 5.5 volt.
Now that blasted off to be a lot of fun. I mean, a lot of fun. We're still working on dialing this thing in. In fact, this thing is to be continued. Until then, subscribe to our channel, smash down that like button, and by all means, continue enjoying radio controlled model boating. Bill Oxidean and the Intimidator. Over and out.